Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers, Logistics Support Analysis LSA Engineer at Alstom, Bangalore. Alstom is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport markets, active in the field of passenger transportation, signaling and locomotives. Alstom was founded in 1928 and it transport, develops and markets a complete range of systems, equipment and service in the railway industry. It is one of the world's largest manufacturer of high-speed trains, tramways and metros, electrical and diesel trains, information systems, traction system, power supply system and track work. Alstom Transports operates in 70 countries and employs 26,000 people. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. That means 2021 batch also can apply. Now let us see who can apply for this post. Any engineering graduates can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Post name is LSA Engineer. Location of posting will be in Bangalore, India. Purpose of the job. LSA Engineer or Manager is the main interlocutor with other engineering and ILS function with the purpose to capture all information that can influence the maintenance strategy. LSA Manager influence the design for integration, maintainability, constraint and concentrate logistic support constraint to influence the design of equipment. Organization structure reports to ILS Manager, direct reports nil, other reporting if any will be to Chief Engineer or PREM. Responsibility and accountabilities. Identify the performance allocation in compliancy with the DFS target. Define maintenance plan and design of LSA elements. Define special tools for first professional. Validation of support solution and associated maintenance documentation of training toolkit. Capitalize data in central ILS respiratory. Ensure RX is collected and considered, elaborate maintenance plan, preparing 3D maintainability analysis report, concept design development of tools, supporting tender team as per requirement on special tool, etc. Competencies and skills. Mandatory. English fluent, good level, communication skills, solid decision making and critical thinking, self-motivated, attention to detail, strong team player, etc. Desirable, English fluent, good level, people management, knowledge of the main ILS element applicable to railways equipment, RAMS, LORA, RCM, LCC, etc. Communication skills, solid decision making and critical thinking, etc. Role is LSA Engineer, function area is rail and trains. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide both website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity. From our channel Engineering Jobs for You, every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.